This house was built in 1971. The house is located in Maynooth, which is a university town on the outskirts of Dublin, Ireland. The experience we had from once we moved in was this house was cold. It needed continual heat. We have a family. It was our opportunity because of space. We got the plans together to expand this into a 5-bedroom dormer bungalow.
Paul's house at design stage was fully calculated in terms of a heat requirement for the dwelling in order to meet regulations. From that, it was decided a 9 kilowatt unit was required in order to meet the full heating load, but also to meet the domestic hot water load.
So Paul has a Panasonic all-in-one J-series unit. It was the best fit for what was going to be his family home for life. It was going to service the 4 bathrooms within his house alongside underfloor on the ground floor and radiators on the upper floor.
The big benefit for using an all-in-one is that the full heating and hot water requirement for the dwelling is taken care of in a white goods finished unit, 600 square footprint, which allows it to sit neatly beside your white goods in your kitchen or your utility room.
In 2021, we installed our Panasonic heat pump. What has been really interesting is the investment that we put into the Panasonic heat pump is paying dividends, as we've had significant cost savings.
So with the Panasonic Smart Cloud, Paul can run his house with smart technology, with temperature control, and always know that his system is running efficiently and economically.
The Service Cloud allows the service partner access to their machine remotely.
We can preempt that something is not right with your unit. If it's not right, we'll get an alert. We are able to alert our customers. And again, it gives the customer the peace of mind that there's somebody looking over their system all the time.
With the Service Plus, we're able to monitor that heat pump and its efficiencies, if there's any faults, it's preemptive fault finding. Biggest problem is flow, is dirt and filters. The heat pump detects the flow is starting to restrict and sends a warning email. So you can go fix a heat pump before it breaks down. This is fantastic.
Panasonic Service Plus gives the end user peace of mind that their unit has been serviced annually, which obviously is very important for upholding warranty. There are a number of packages, the Smart, Premium and Comfort.
Panasonic embraced me as an installer with very much confidence in what I could do, what I could bring to them, and what they could give me back. Their technical know-how, their backup service, they're always at the end of the phone to answer any question.
We have a great relationship with Panasonic. We have new staff members starting every week, and the ease of us getting them over to get training is vital for us.
Panasonic offers the installer a number of levels of training, starting with product training, installer training on the most recent technology introduced to the market. In terms of the engineer or consultant engineers, we offer a full suite of CIBSE accredited CPD courses.
I've seen the future city in Fujisawa. It really hit home of how the world needs to change. Sustainability, CO2 emission has to lessen to give our future generations a hope. With Panasonic and all their technologies within Fujisawa, we have to embrace this within Ireland, Europe, and as a worldwide situation that our generations can live on forever.
But the whole of Europe is going to do exactly what we're doing in this country.